Hi guys, what's up? It's Emmy.
It's your girl Tori.
And this is More Entertainment. Whoop whoop! And we are reacting to the Jong Kook x ATEEZ music video. Now normally I do watch ATEEZ stuff as soon as it comes out. I download it, I do all the things. But I did not this time. Why? Because she got mad at me last time because I did it.
I was trying to surprise her.
Yeah, so I knew she was gonna do it again. So this time I didn't watch it. I didn't even listen to it. I did watch the teaser, like that little 15 whatever second teaser. But other than that, I've not seen it. So yeah, I have my light stick at the ready, guys. I was gonna take this to the concert, but they haven't happened yet, guys. They haven't happened yet, and I might have to sell my tickets. Let me know if you guys want some ATEEZ tickets. But
purchase.
Yeah, to purchase. I'm not giving them away. They're expensive. But before we get into it, all their socials are in our social box down below. Make sure you follow them, show them some love. Our socials are also down there. We have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Patreon for exclusive videos.
Guys, we're also co-producing a Pinoy BL series called Tie the Knot with Accent Film. Be sure to subscribe to Mori Productions YouTube channel and social medias for updates on that series, which will be coming out very soon. But while you wait, go check out the teaser on Accent Film's YouTube channel.
Yes, the teaser's out. The trailer is coming soon, guys. Make sure you subscribe here as well. We know that a lot of you guys come to regularly watch our videos, but you don't subscribe, guys. So subscribe while you're here. We do check the analytics, and it's the same percentage each week. Okay, so we know it's the same one's coming back. Just subscribe, guys. It's free.
But with that being said, we're going to dive in.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, let me turn on my light stick. Okay, so it's going to be summery, so let me put it on, like, the blue.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, look at that!
Oh. I feel like I should hold it in this hand. So this way. I broke my wrist, so I can't use my thumb, guys. Well, I'm supposed to start using it, but... I don't know! We've been waiting, Mingy.
Oh, that's my bias right there. Look at my baby.
And he said her, yes.
Oh. Hey.
Yes, I'm doing.
Yes. Woo. Hey.
San. My bias is San. Oh, okay, you was hung. when they did Jong Kook's Black Cat Nero, it was so good. Oh, hi baby, hi. Oh yeah, that hair on San is stunning. Oh, I need those shoes.
Hey. Oh
yes, Mingy. Oh, I'm so happy to see him. Oh, so long.
This is such a nice summer vibe, man.
Jong Kook's wearing purple and blue.
Look at me. Look at my baby. He knew that we were gonna watch.
We have to go the same direction.
Okay, which direction do you want to go?
I'm dying, guys.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's so cute! No.
Oh. I'm so happy to see my man again. He looks so good.
Yes, you know. San. I love their friendship. You know how to dance if y'all couldn't tell.
Oh. Vocals. Oh, guys.
Okay, Liam. that's a chance. The chance is starting to hurt. Sorry, guys. Oh my God, Songwon! Yes, baby! I like that fit on him a lot. Looks nice. Oh my God, they're so cute. Row that boat. Aww. Woo! Yes! Woo! Yes!
Really?
Are we there?
Yes.
That's the concert we went to. Yeah. Wow.
That was good. Very summery and just what we needed.
Holla holla. Well, I think this is holla holla, but I feel like this makes more sense. Holla holla. This is Aurora, but blue's my favorite color. Anyways, let me put you down. I'll put you away in a second. I love ATEEZ, guys. I have all their merch and stuff all back there. I even bought like extra shirts because my niece wanted one, and I wanted another one to like actually wear. Because there's two I don't wear, and there's one I do wear. And I bought extra stickers to put on my suitcases.
That she did.
Yeah.
That she did. I love ATEEZ as well. They are one of my higher favorite groups. This is her ultimate group.
Yes.
Not mine, but very high up there on my list. She knows that.
Yes, we have been standing them since pre-debut.
pre-debut.
Since they were KQ fellas, okay? San has been my main man.
Mingy
since
all the
then.
way.
As soon as I saw San dance, I was like, yes.
As soon as my eyes met Mickey, I was like, done. Mingy. What
Mickey.
Oh.
Mickey's in another group, girl.
I am like out of it. I'm thinking about tomorrow.
I know, that's what I'm saying. We react to a lot of stuff, guys. But yeah, I'm glad Mingy's back.
Oh my God, me too.
Yeah.
He looks so cute with his glasses.
Yes.
And
I am so glad that KQ allowed him to take the time that he needed. Because one,
that's
he
a good
had
company.
Yeah, and he had like the back injury that he had just like he took a hiatus for that, and then he came back, and then took another hiatus, which is fine. I'm just glad that the company allowed him to do that.
Correct.
Because you have to take care of your artists. Like what's the point of having artists under your company if you're not going to take care of them?
Correct.
If you don't take care of them, they can't make you music.
Correct the mundo.
Which is their whole point of having them, So thank you, KQ, for taking care of him.
Thank you.
Thank you for being such an amazing leader.
Yes.
Okay. Number one leader. I need those shoes, though, that you had. They look fire. You probably painted them yourself, though.
Probably.
But with that being said, we love you. Bye.